Staying protected from cyber attacks online is challenging, especially when cybercriminals are persistently looking for new ways to expose security risks. Here are 11 important cybersecurity tips and best practices for you to implement when it comes to internet security. Number 1. Restrict the types of websites that employees are allowed to visit can help you exclude the sites that could compromise your network. Number 2. Advise employees on what software is safe to install on their computers and to seek permission when downloading new programs. Number 3. When someone outside of your business requests any personal or business information, verify that they are a safe person to send the information to. Number 4. Write an internet usage policy for personnel to follow and post it in an accessible place for all to see and refer to. Number 5. Set rules on what kinds of business information your employees can share online and where. Number 6. Create instructions on whether your employees should use their work email to sign up for social media sites and newsletters. Number 7. Consider the implementation of a company's social media policy so that employees know what they should and should not post online. Number 8. Update all of your business software when you receive notifications to do so that all security fixes are up to date. Number 9. Require all of your employees to have complex passwords that have letters, numbers, and symbols so they are harder for cybercriminals to steal. Number 10. Implement dual-factor authentication across the enterprise, especially for resources that are public-facing such as Google Workspace or Office 365. Number 11. Always be suspicious of phone calls, emails, or other communications from an unknown source.